Hi everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of my travel essentials. I've already filmed part 1 and I will link it in the description box. It's about the makeup I took with me when I went on a holiday for about 1 week in the UK, so I didn't have to be careful of like a plane and stuff. And I talk about, I did it the wrong way around, so I don't say what I will take with me. I talk about what I took with me, what I used and what I didn't use. So yeah, this is part 2. This is the toiletries I took with me. I'm going to tell you what I thought, what I needed, what I didn't need, and yeah. So if you're new here, I don't know if I said I'm Joanna. I post videos once or twice a week. They're about beauty, makeup, which is probably the same thing, lifestyle, vlogs, recipes. So yeah, it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below or my face at the end of the video. So stop chatting. Let's start. My toiletries, essentials for traveling. So this is where I keep my toiletries. All my shampoo, skincare go in this. This is from Next. I really like it. It's nice and sturdy. I've had it forever. And this video is going to be long, guys. So get a cuppa of coffee or tea. So first of all, shampoo. I put shampoo in a little plastic bag, which is probably going to be very, very noisy. And I apologize for that. So I had the Charles Worthington micellar shampoo and Charles Worthington micellar conditioner. They are very lightweight. They did the job. I really liked using them. I may end up buying the full size. I liked this. And for a bath wash, I had the Soap and Glory Sugar Crush, which is a body wash, a gel wash, and I really liked it. It smells citrusy and fresh, and you know it's nice to use when you've been out all day and you need to refresh yourself. So yeah, those were the products I had. Now I had makeup wipes with me, but I ran out, so I ended up buying my favorite cleansing gel, which is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Gel. I really like this. I prefer this to micellar water. I think it does a better job at taking off your makeup. So yeah, this is really good. And what else? My skincare, I use this a lot, my Cinique Moisture Surge. I had like lots of dry skin. I don't know if it was because I was out all day in the rain and then in the heat and I wasn't drinking enough water. So yeah, I use this quite a lot. I love this. I've bought this many times. If you have sensitive skin, you really need to check this out. Very nice. What else? Charles Worthington hairspray, which makes your hair nice and shiny. I did not use this. I love it, but I didn't use it. And I had a small L'Oreal Elnet flexible hairspray. I did use this when I had a shower and I dried my hair and it was a bit puffy. This made it all calm down. I would not buy the full size though. I don't think it's amazing. I bought the 1 Minute Urban Detox Mask by Nivea. Didn't use it, but I am going to give you an update about this and tell you what this is like. What else? Oh, as I said, this is part 2. Now I had my makeup bag, which is here, and I had this bag, and some of the things that were supposed to be in here didn't fit because I had a lot of makeup, which is in the other video. So this is what I use when I'm applying makeup. This is my stippling brush. And it is, what is it? It is B. I like it. I really like this. I use this to apply makeup. Did I say that? I probably did. What else? Oh, I had another hairspray, which is Volume and Bounce. I didn't use this. Toothbrush? I did. I bought a new one though, because this one looks dodgy. Needing a new one. My favorite perfume came with me. I used it every day. Clinique Aromatics White. If you have not tried this, I don't know how many times I've said it in my videos. I love it. It's amazing. It smells nice, sophisticated, really nice. If you like amber and rose and powder scents, check that out. And a hand cream, Vaseline. It's the Lulu Guinness limited edition. I don't know, maybe it's just the packaging. I don't know if it's something special. I use this a lot because I had lots of dry skin issues on my face, on my lips. I had dry hands, so yeah, this came in handy. What else? Oh, I bought this to try it, which is the John Frieda Luxurious Volume. I use this. It did make my hair more voluminous, so I did like this. I don't know if I'm going to buy the full size. I'm going to try it again, and I'll let you know what I think about this. My favorite foundation, Infallible. I always use this. I use this quite a lot. That's the same thing, and I like it. It came with me. Yep, that was my foundation. And I took a primer, which is the Autograph Hydrating Primer. I really like this, and it was really good because my skin was dry a lot, so I would put my moisture surge and then my primer, and my skin would look nice and soft even though it was horrible underneath. And yep, I also had this, it's the Formula Radiance Peel. I use this. It's a nice cleansing peel thingy. I like it. I'm going to buy the full size. I got this in the M&S advent calendar, and yeah, I'm going to buy the full size. What else do I have here? Oh yeah, again in the M&S advent calendar, there was a Rodeo Dragon Blood sculpting gel, and I used this with all my skincare stuff, and I really liked it, but I'm not going to buy the full size because it's really expensive. What else? I had scissors, which came in handy quite a lot. My dental floss is Oral-B, really like it, came in handy. And I also got this little bath wash thingy with me, but I didn't use it, as you can see, because it's still here. Finally, a nail polish, which I did not use, so yeah, didn't need it. Although, if you do apply nail polish, then you probably need it with you when you're away for a week. So these are all the things I took with me. The makeup is in the video before this video, and then the toiletries is this video. Let me know, have you used any of these products? What do you think? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.